Because you too.
It's where the truth is.
Adventure machine activated. Countdown to adventure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Munch, you are blue.
No. I mean, I'm feeling a little sad.
Aww.
Well, you see, it's been a real long time since I've seen my cousin, and I really miss him, you know?
I didn't know you had a cousin.
Oh, sure, but he lives way up at the North Pole.
Oh, yeah. I know who you're talking about.
What?
The,
Pedophile.
snowman.
Oh, well, I can see the family resemblance.
He should switch to I can't believe it's not
Flobber.
Yeah, I sure wish I could see him again.
Then let's do it. The terrible adventure machine can take all of us to the North Pole, even you kids. So, hang on to your earmuffs, everybody, 'cause here we go!
Where is everybody?
Looks like we made it, all right.
This is the sort of place where a skid can be a squid.
Let's get moving. In a place this hot and spicy, we should be cold on someone's trail. Up north, in the land of ice and snow.
So go Eskimo and enjoy a thrill.
Shiver and shake with every step you take to the deep.
Cold,
Rub your hands together in the Arctic weather to the deep.
cold,
You can be a Yukon dance hall hero, having fun when it's
Under the sea.
To the deep.
cold.
And we did all that with computers.
I wonder how deep this snow is. Would somebody give me a hand?
I didn't know a chicken could get
But it's a
goosebumps.
good thing I wore my polar cap.
Look over there, the
Pedophile.
snowman. Right there.
Run.
You can be a Yukon dance hall hero, having fun when it's
Under the sea.
To the deep.
cold.
Abby!
You can be a Yukon dance hall hero, having fun when it's
Under the sea.
to the deep.
Cold.
That's all, folks.